Hello everyone, this is Anya Verma, and today we are learning the chapter of Geography, Chapter 1 Environment. That's too important. Just see here, it's too important chapter, so I want to say you all just listen too carefully because it is really a rare chapter that is given in your which is given in your school. It is because this chapter is related to our environment, and from this chapter we will also learn how to implement these things in our life, real life. So let's start. This is chapter 1 Environment. It's that we find natural and human-made environment in our surrounding. Everything that includes living and non-living things around us is called as the environment. So, from this line, we can arise a question that what is environment? So, the answer that can be, so for this, I will say you just highlight or mark it with your pencil. Everything that includes living and non-living things around us is called as the environment. It's really important to read because this question can be arised. And so, human beings are not separate. We are also part of the environment. It's true because human beings are also the part of the environment, because if human will be not there, the whole environment will be a half part. So here, next is animal and plants obtain their needs directly from the environment. Human beings, the most intelligent living things, obtain resources like soil, minerals, and water from the surroundings, modifying them using technology. However, in this process, we often pollute the natural environment, causing harm to plants and animals. This line is saying us that nowadays we are making too much pollution. That's right. And so we have to just stop these things because now our technology is getting modified, and so we need to get with our intelligence sometimes we do the things that is really a kind of foolishness. So we have now next is don't skip part. The United Nations Environment Program UNEP is in association with the nations of the world observes World Environment Day on 5th June every year. It has been celebrated since 1973. I request you all to underline this part, 1973. As the largest global platform for environmental public outreach, millions of people across the world participate in this event to raise awareness about the pollution and the urgent need to protect our environment. Okay, so in this passage you have get a word that is endowed. Okay, it's really important, so I say you just underline this and also the full form of UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. Now see here, need to alter the environment. Humans are endowed with wisdom, knowledge and skills. They use these to modify their environment to suit their needs. For that, he developed technology with the help of science. As the population increases, so do human needs. To meet these needs, humans make further changes to the environment. For example, forests are cut down to make land available for farming. Yes. In this part, endowed. What is the meaning of endowed? Endowed means enrich. What's the meaning of endowed? It's enrich. And so alter. Alter means change or modify. Okay? So let me explain this part. That is that humans nowadays is just with the use of their wisdom, knowledge and skill, they have started to modify their environment to suit their needs. And so with the help of science they are also developing, but for our environments it's really harmful. And for that also we are cutting down forests to make land available for farming. Okay, So if we want to farm only, we want to do farming, so why are we cutting forests? There are many places, barren places, so we can add a little fertilizers or natural fertilizers like manure, etc. So we can take these all things, and after that just make it fertile, and we can do farming there. So it's really harmful to our environment. So I request you all, never cut down forest, or if you see someone cutting forest, please stop them. Now next topic is components of the environment. Our environment consists of both natural and human made elements. We can classify them as follows. Yes, here is a chart that is too important for you. I say you all to note down this chart in your copy wherever you are noting down. So make this chart, it will be really helpful to you all. That is first, components of environment. There are three components of environment. That's first natural environment, human-made environment. Don't confuse in human and human-made environment. It's different. See here, natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. These are the part of the environment, natural environment. Next is human, individual, family, social or community, society or community, religion, education, political or cultural. And next is human-made environment. First, garden, industries, market, buildings, transport, includes road, railways, airways and water. Nowadays, we are using too much human-made environment that is a little bit harmful for our environment. If we use it in much amount, it will be surely too much harmful for our environment and for our health. So the next, here it is. The environment is a dynamic combination of natural and human-made phenomena, while the natural environment consists of biotic and abiotic components. The human environment primarily includes human activities, interaction, relationship, and creation. So nowadays, it's just the explanation of the chart which I have already explained you. So now we will know about the three types of environment, components of environment we have learned. So see here, natural environment. As discussed earlier, our natural environment consists of sunlight, the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, the atmosphere and the biosphere. I think that these all you have learned in your class 6. It's really important, and underline these all part. Lithosphere means land, hydrosphere water, atmosphere air, and biosphere means plants and animals. It means it's related. Just remember, biosphere is biology. Biology is all about plants and animals. So just biosphere means plants and animals. It will be a key point for you to remember. Now next is lithosphere is the solid outermost layer of the earth, including the land we live on and the hard rocks beneath. It's also termed as Earth's crust. The word lithosphere consists of two Greek words, litho, which means stone or rock, and sphere, which means globe or ball. So it's a globe, and you can see the whole part that is lithosphere, that is also known as crust. So this is lithosphere, this part is lithosphere, and these all parts you have already studied. And so next is the layer consists of soil, which is essential for agriculture. Minerals are found in this layer, also known as mineral skin. Lithosphere includes various landforms such as plain, plateaus, valleys, etc. Lithosphere also provide various activities like mining, farming, construction, and industry. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere refers to the total amount of water on Earth. It includes water in ocean, river, lakes, ponds, underground water, and in the atmosphere. Without water, life on Earth would be impossible. The hydrosphere supports the growth of plants, industries, and agriculture. And is also essential for domestic users. This was the last page, and so we have been known about the natural environment, two parts, lithosphere and hydrosphere. We have only to learn about these two things, that lithosphere is the outermost layer of the earth, that means crust, and hydrosphere means the water areas or water bodies like ocean, ponds, river, lakes. And so now our topic is completed about environment, and so I wish you all the day will be best for you, and so have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet in the next